guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're testing not a new foundation, but a foundation that seems to be going viral. It's the L'Oreal True Match foundation. It's in a new bottle, and so it kind of looks new, but I've been hearing this all on TikTok and YouTube. I just keep hearing everyone talking about how great this foundation is, and I'm like, maybe I need to try it. This is what the bottle looks like. I have mine the shade N.5, which is neutral light. I think it looks like a very good shade match for me, so I'm looking forward to trying this. I believe that the original one of these came in like a squeezy, what is that, like a dropper. It came with a dropper, and this one comes with a pump. But I think it's like the same size and everything. I'm not 100% sure. It's 1 fluid ounce. So I actually got mine off of Amazon. I just happened to see it because it's trending on Amazon as well. It was only $9.97 off Amazon, so I will link my affiliate link down below if you guys are interested in buying this. I believe that Amazon has all of the shades. Looks like they have it. 47 options is what the listing says. So let's get into it. I thought that was not gonna come off. It was like pulling the whole pump. Priming my skin, as always, I used my Merit Great Skin Serum. Look how low it's getting. And then I'm also going to use my e.l.f. Pure Skin Moisturizer. These are the things that I always use to prep my skin every day. So I want to use the same things to give it a fair chance. Not gonna lie, I kind of have high hopes for this because, you know, it's not new and it's like going viral and everyone's talking about it. So I even just saw that Laura Lee put it in her like top 3 affordable foundations in her latest video. So high hopes. It does not say how much to use, so I guess I'm just gonna pump some onto the back of my hand. Oh, okay. Whoa, it's liquidy. Let's put a little bit more. This looks almost exactly like all of my other foundations. I definitely think this is my shade. It's very thin, very watery, which I was not expecting. I was almost expecting like maybe a little bit thicker. Using my Paw Paw blender from Amazon. These come in a 6-pack. They're super spongy and good. Mine's a little bit stained with blush, but that's okay. And we're just gonna blend that in. So far so good. We may see if it's buildable. I may try and add a little bit more, but look at the coverage so far. Not bad. I don't think I put as much foundation on this side. I'll definitely have to add a little bit more. But so far, I mean, it's covering all of my redness. It's looking like the right shade for me. I feel like that's what everyone's talking about mainly, is that like the shade range is really good and that they really have everyone's shade, I feel like, is what I've seen on TikTok a whole lot. It does seem like it might be drying a little bit up here at the top. Like maybe it's already dried down a little bit. It's a little bit harder to blend. I mean, it still blended nicely, but it was just slightly harder to blend what was on my forehead because it has sat there the longest. Yeah, I mean, I think that's a pretty good shade match. I am just gonna add a smidge more, not a lot. Like, I didn't add as much foundation on this side, and then I do want to put a little bit more on top. On my forehead. This does seem really nice, I can't lie, guys. This is, looking really good. I really like it so far. I'll give you guys a little close-up of my skin here in just a second. Now, I do have dry skin, but honestly, if you have dry skin and you have not tried the Merit Beauty Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, you need to, because I don't really have a problem with my dry skin with foundations anymore after I use that. Like, especially using it basically on a daily basis. So here is a close-up of my skin. I do feel like it looks really, really good though. It's covered basically all my redness. There's a little bit of redness popping through on my cheeks, but not a lot. And I don't see it clinging anywhere. But like I said, I don't really struggle too much with my dry skin because of my Merit Great Skin Serum. But no, it looks really good. It honestly looks like my skin. If my skin was like perfect. I can tell you, I can see why it's going viral right now. I can see it. It looks really nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and see how it works with the rest of my makeup, all of my like everyday favorites, and I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts on this foundation. Alright, so I'm done with my makeup and I think it turned out really good. Everything worked really well with this foundation. Everything blended in nicely. I still think the foundation looks really nice. Like, yeah, I can see why people are so obsessed with it. I do feel like this is like my perfect shade match. I definitely don't feel like my skin looks too fair. I don't feel like it looks too orange, too pink. Nothing. This is like perfect. Yeah, I really, really like it. I think it turned out really nicely and I will definitely keep using this. I think it's worth a try. If you guys have not already tried this foundation, I definitely would. Like I said, it's only $10 on Amazon right now, so it's worth it. The bottle seems really small. I know it says that it's 1 fluid ounce, but it seems so tiny compared to like other foundations I have that are 1 fluid ounce. I don't know, like this is 1 fluid ounce. These are both L'Oreal. I don't know. I know it's in a squeezy tube, but like, it just feels so small to me. I don't know. It just is so tiny, so cute. But yeah, I think I have to give it like a 10 out of 10. It's pretty good. I can see why people like it, and I'll definitely keep using it. Yeah, as far as drugstore foundations go, it's really nice. I do feel like it is a little bit drying. Normally, after doing my makeup and using my glow serum, normally my skin would still be looking a lot more dewy than it does right now. So I do feel like maybe this is a more matte foundation. And I don't use a lot of matte foundations, but I do know a matte foundation with my glow serum typically isn't as glowy as using like a serum foundation or using a skin tint. Like obviously those are going to be a lot more dewy. So I do think that maybe without that glow serum, this foundation is probably pretty matte. But I definitely wouldn't hold that against it because it's pretty good. I think that is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. If you guys have been seeing this foundation blow up just like I have and you're interested in it, this was my honest opinion on the foundation. I think it's pretty good. It's really affordable. So if you haven't tried it, definitely recommend you go try it. Also, they have a bunch of shades, so hopefully they will have your shade. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!